I am J.Laustsen. I'm the coordinator of Certain Action EPBD, which is a project that helps all the member states of the European Union, plus Norway, in implementing policies in energy performance in buildings. That include building codes, energy certification, inspection schemes, improvements of existing buildings, etc. We worked together and we held meetings around in Europe. This is in fact our 25th meeting. And we try to engage with industry, with the local sectors and discuss with people and try to get the feedback on implementation, on what can be done better. I won't go into bigger details on our project, but what we hold today is what we call an open event, or an event for stakeholders and main engaged people in different important topics. We've done smart buildings lately, and you can see the presentations from this in the internet. Like these ones will be uploaded and transmitted directly to the internet, and you can go back and see the individual presentations. We try this time to focus on one issue which is critical for the full implementation of energy efficiency policies, and that is the training or the capacity of people to do things right. And actually this becomes more and more important the closer you come to highly efficient or zero energy buildings, because if you have a very, very good building but you have it badly installed and the air is leaking and all of these kind of things, then you lose much more energy, maybe several times the energy that you would do if this was done in a proper way. And also, because of all the issues which are installed in modern buildings, it's very important that everything play well together. And also that you don't leave the building when you work in the construction sector without ensuring that everything is working correctly, that your heating system is heating right, or your cooling system is only cooling when there is need for it. So these kind of issues actually become more and more important the more complex and the more efficient our buildings become. Our old grandmothers maybe lived in a house which had a lot of leaking, and they had to put more wood in the fire stove, and that could be okay at the time. But if you have a zero energy building, it's not the same. So I'm very happy to welcome you to this open event, and I'm very happy to welcome some of our friends. So we have had help from EASME, and we have had help from different projects which are working exactly in the training, in the facilitation of training, developing material for training in different countries around in Europe. So I would just do the thing. I would introduce you here. I would come back later and annoy you with some questions and voting and things like that. But otherwise, I would hand over to Koen Rademaikers, I think it was, which would lead you through the presentations and all the sessions. Thank you. The floor is yours.
Thank you. So I will be your moderator for this afternoon. So my name is Koen Rademakers. I'm the director of Trinomics, which is the company, the consultancy company dealing with the built-up skills program. So we are doing the evaluation, and we are helping EASME in the whole built-up skills program too.